If screws are lost during air conditioning disassembly, you must stop and secure replacements before running the unit. When you remove panels or components, immediately place screws into a labeled container or on a magnetic tray to keep them organized by location and thread type. Photograph each fastened part before removal so you can match screw length and head style when reassembling, and keep similar screws together to avoid confusion. If a screw goes missing, do not improvise with a different thread pitch or head type, because that can strip a hole or allow vibration to loosen components. Instead, measure the original screw or the threaded hole, then source an exact match at a hardware store or from the unit manufacturer by part number. If you cannot access the original screw, use a temporary retention method such as a clamp or tape to hold the panel in place while you obtain the proper fastener, but avoid running the compressor or fan at full speed with temporary fixes. Keep a small parts kit with common machine screws, self-tapping screws, and a magnetized screwdriver in your tool bag so replacements are on hand for field work. Record the screw types and their positions in your maintenance log so recurring losses point to a design or handling problem you can address. Common mistakes include continuing to operate the unit with missing screws, which leads to noise, increased vibration, and accelerated wear. Stop operation until screws are restored and secure. Another issue is mixing screw types, which can strip threads or create poor clamping force. Prevent this by sorting fasteners immediately and measuring before reuse. Finally, losing small screws in the cabinet or outside coils can damage internal components if they fall into moving parts. To avoid this, work over a magnetic tray or cloth and sweep the area thoroughly before powering up. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where contractors can find work related to parts, management, and repair. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips on sourcing correct fasteners and safe disassembly practices.